Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're here back again with another video. Today we'll be doing a skit on stealing of chicken. So don't skip it. You may skip the good part. So watch till the end and let's get started.
Hey! What is that? Let's go! Wait, come on! Let's go!
Six and a half hours later.
Good boy. What? Bring him the water. Is it for you? Hey. Why did you steal the chicken? Huh? Tell me. Why did you steal the chicken? Stay fast.
I won't see.
Be careful. Stay fast before my boss just come. Say. Okay, you won't say? Okay, I feel sorry for you.
One eternity later.
Okay. Are you the stealer? Huh?
No, sir.
Why do you refuse to steal?
No.
Amo! Bring the picture! Is this you?
No, sir. That's not likes me.
Is this really not you?
Yes, sir. It wasn't me, sir.
Okay. You wanna lie still? Huh? You wanna lie still? You wanna lie still?
It wasn't me, sir.
You wanna lie still? Yeah. You wanna lie still? You wanna lie still? It was not you?
It wasn't me.
It was not you?
No.
It's not you? Not you? Do it right now. Do it right now. It's not you. You better kill it. What do you do? What do you do? Don't move.
Okay, I'll see.
Why do you steal my chicken?
Chắc là sir.
Alright.
Bring something over, sir.
인천도 팥이다. 얘가 망가졌다.
Sir, aduh ini. Yung tahu kuya aduh ditahin. Kurang benih, sir.
Aduh, pergi kurang bro. Aku dah itu cawa yana.
Sir, I can't breathe, sir.
Lah, aku dah kasih lah. Pergi ini. Lah. Sir. Hah?
the fuck away.
So this is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notification. And you might get you might get my punishment if you do so.